Hey, ever had your vehicle, truck, car, whatever, throw a code and you can't figure out what's wrong? Maybe you got a little scanner, it just doesn't give you enough information. This 5.9 Cummins in this Dodge keeps going in the limp mode and it's driving me insane. So I picked up a DS200 from ANCEL. This is a full OBD2 diagnostic tablet, Android based, and updates are free, okay? It's not locked to any one brand. You can do auto search for whatever, working on an old 12 valve, 24 valve, or a 26 BMW or an Audi. This will give you the information you need. Transmission codes. How about DPF regeneration? How about 15 different maintenance resets, brake resets? That's all great, but I need to find out why this is going in limp mode. Is it the transmission causing it? Is it a sensor? I don't know, but I think this can figure it out. Basically, I want to run a diagnostic. So I'm going to select my vehicle. You just need to scroll through and find your brand. In this case, I've got a Dodge. Year, pick the truck, hit OK, hit OK. And then I want to do a system scan. And processing in progress, 100%. Scanning my control module, powertrain control module, ABS, SRS. Well, that gave me 16 codes, and some are stored, and I don't know specifically until we go back and look at each code, but what I'm going to do first is I'm going to clear everything. But in the meantime, I took a screenshot, saved, and then you can do a report. So you can give it a report name and some notes, hit OK, and you can add your shop address if you want, technician, all that kind of stuff. And then you can make a PDF and you could share it. Of course, you have to be hooked up to a network in order to do that. All right, so that's a quick rundown of a DS200, how it helped me with this particular project. I just cleared everything. Now I'm going to do another road test, and I'm going to wait till I pull some more codes so that I can weed out what may have happened in the past to what's happening right now. And then once I narrow that down with these codes, if I'm hooked up to a network, then I'm going to check what each code means, or once you have your P codes, and you can start to isolate what's wrong with your vehicle. So in this situation, I had to manually pick the vehicle, pick the model, and enter. Some vehicles, you can just do the auto search and it'll find it for you. So the screen is bright. The touch screen itself is good. It's lightweight, and it seems like pretty good value for a box that does all these different things.